Hey guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. Today we're going to be checking out the YINYOO V2s, and these were sent out to me by Yin Audio, so thank you to Yin Audio for sending these out to me to review. And right off the bat, you'll notice that they look pretty much exactly the same to the Tin Audio T2s. There are some minor differences, but they overall look very much identical to the Tin Audio T2s, which I have right here. So I'm just going to put them side by side, and later on in this review I will be comparing them together, so stay tuned for that. So I'm just going to zoom in here so you guys can get a better view of that. So as you can see, there are some minor differences between them, but for the most part they look very much the same. So they're made out of aluminum, both of them. This one is, the Tin Audio T2 is enameled. It's got that enameled finish, so it is shinier. Whereas the YINYOO V2s have that matte finish aluminum on them. So just put these to the side now for a second. And again, I will get back to them. So inside the box, you'll be getting these earphones along with the 2-pin cable. And this is a braided 2-pin cable that is quite durable. It definitely feels a lot more durable than the Tin Audio T2 cable, so thumbs up to that. So you got the red for the right and then the blue for the left. Just put this back in here, and then you got the right indicator markings on the earphones so that you know which cable goes where. And then there's the left one. Alright, so inside the box you also be getting this carrying pouch case. It's a zippered case. Rectangle. You got the YINYOO logo on there with the branding. And then you'll also be getting some silicone ear tips, which honestly are not the best quality. They're rigid type, so they're not that soft silicone type, which I normally like. They're just that hard type of silicone. You don't really get a good fit with these. I at least don't really get a good fit with these. They're also very small. They're not like the tips that I normally use. So these are actually belong to the DT200s. And these are my favorite silicone ear tips. They're just very soft. They flare outwards, so yeah, they fit me very well and they provide a very good seal for me. But enough about that. Let's move on with this review. So you pretty much get all that inside the box. You'll also get some warranty card information. So again, the earphones are made out of metal. It's aluminum. You get the metal mesh screen on there, or the grill. For some reason my camera is not focusing the best today. There we go. And then again you get that durable braided cable. It's a twisted cable at the top and then it braids at the bottom. So and it terminates in a 3.5mm jack. It's TRS, and you have the aluminum enclosure. It actually feels kind of light, so that's nice. Alright, so now let's talk about the sound that you could expect with these earphones. So the sound on these earphones is actually very good. I enjoy it very much. The highs and lows are more pronounced on these, so you have a V-shaped sound signature. Let's see, let me just open up my notes. So you have a V-shaped sound signature. The mids I did notice were a little bit recessed on this. It's not very noticeable, but I did notice it only because I compared these to the Tin Audio T2s, which again I'll talk about in just a moment. So you have a good full sounding bass on these, you have good instrument separation, very good soundstage. It's very open, wide, and airy sounding. Overall, I really do like the sound that these earphones produce. Now, compared to the Tin Audio T2s, which I have right here, these V2s, these YINYOO V2s, beat the Tin Audio T2s, and here's why. So first of all, the bass on these YINYOO V2s is more pronounced, and as well as the sub bass, you get more sub bass on these as well. You'll also get cleaner sound. I did notice that the mids on these, like I said, were more pronounced than the mids on the V2s. So that does kind of add some distortion to the sound. I think it's the mids that's doing that, but if you compare the sound from the T2s to the V2s, the sound will sound a little bit muddied on these. And you can definitely notice, I definitely noticed it. It was noticeable to me. So in terms of the sound, these YINYOO V2s were, in my opinion, better than the sound on the Tin Audio T2s. Now for the cable, like I said before, the cable is more durable. As you can see, it is a thicker cable. So as you can see, it's got that thicker coating around it. And it's also got thicker braids. That's the top half. Let's show you the bottom half. So as you can see, the YINYOO V2s on my right and the Tin Audio T2 cable on my left. So the cable definitely feels a lot better on the YINYOO V2s. And then for the termination, the jack, the 3.5mm jack, actually the Tin Audio T2s has a better jack than the, actually feels more premium than the YINYOO V2s. So far, the clear winner here are the YINYOO V2s. I would definitely pick the V2s over the Tin Audio T2s. It's just my sound preference. I enjoy the sound so much more on these than on these. It's a more immersive sound experience for me with these V2s. Now in terms of sibilants, both these earphones have sibilants. It's not that bad, but it is noticeable. You will notice sibilants, particularly with the consonants. So you're going to hear that a lot of those S's, over pronounced S's. Yeah, I know that's kind of annoying. Now before I talk about the fit on these earphones, something I wanted to show you with the Tin Audio T2s is that they are wrongly marked. So the red is actually supposed to be on this one, and the blue is supposed to be on this one. So this is supposed to be the right earphone, and this is supposed to be the left earphone. And how do I know this? I know this because if you take a look at the YINYOO V2s, you'll see that they're now in the same direction. You see, so this one is supposed to be the right, but it's not, it's the left, because it's marked by blue. But again, it doesn't really matter. You can sort of switch around the cables. You can put the right cable to the left earphone and the left cable to the right earphone, and then you should get the same layout here. So anyway, these, I just wanted to mention quickly that these are wrongly marked. So that's interesting. Unless maybe they intended that the red should be for the left and the blue for the right. But generally speaking, the red ring or the red indicator is for the right and the blue is for the left. That's pretty much, in my experience, from most earphones that I've ever used, or I should say all earphones that I've used, it's been like that. Whereas with these, again, you have them correctly marked. And they actually fit better in the ears this way. And it's funny because in my initial review video of the Tin Audio T2s, I actually mentioned that they fit better in the ears the other way around. So that's kind of interesting. So now let me speak about the fit. So the fit on the V2s is better than the fit on the T2s. I don't know why this is. I mean, if you take a look, like I showed you guys before, they're identical. The size, the shape, almost exactly identical. But for some reason, the V2s fit and are more secure within my ears, and I'll show you guys in just a second. So up first, we've got the V2s. Put them in my ears and show you guys. Okay. And again, these are the V2s. So as you can see, they fit and are pretty secure in my ears. But now I'm gonna go ahead and try out the Tin Audio T2s. So now we've got the Tin Audio T2s. I'm going to put them in my ears the right way. Okay. And there we go. The left one just slipped out. So the fit definitely feels more secure on the V2s than the T2s. So it's pretty much safe to say here that for me, the V2s definitely beat the T2s. Now the only things that the T2s really have going for them is they are heavier in the hand, and they have that enameled finish, which I do like. They also offer a variety of better quality ear tips, so you get a pair of memory foam, those baby blue memory foam ear tips, which are pretty good. And the packaging, and let's not forget the termination, the 3.5mm jack, which is heavier, it feels more premium in the hand. But other than that, if you guys are looking to purchase a pair of earphones and it's between the Tin Audio T2s and the V2s, I would have to go with the V2s. These are my pick. Anyway, that's pretty much it for this review and comparison. Hopefully you guys enjoyed watching this. If you did, please do leave a like. And if you do want to see more content like this in the future, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Anyway, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you guys on the flip side. Later.